So I feel like something that is not discussed often, right, is where is there a place for men to feel vulnerable at, right? I feel like women, we talk about women a lot, and I'm all for women, but what about for that male that needs therapy, that doesn't discuss it, right? I feel like it's so hard a lot of times for certain men to open up.
I mean, first of all, we grow up in this culture of masculinity, right? Where men are taught from a very young age that boys don't cry, boys are tough. And as men grow up, they bottle in all these emotions. And, you know, like, for example, 1 in 5 people will experience depression throughout their life, right? But the rates are much higher among women. And the reason for that is that men aren't as easily diagnosed. So, for example, men don't show their emotion by crying or by expressing sadness. They usually show it through acting out, through anger, right? Through violence, through substance abuse. And that's why men have such a hard problem, like, expressing their emotions.
So that means that there's something there then, right? When there's anger, when there's violence, when there's different stuff there, then there was something there that got left there at an early age that no one ever touched.
I'm glad that you brought it up. For example, when it comes to young girls, little girls, moms, parents, grandparents, you know, they're very open to like educating them about sexual abuse, right? Oh, don't let strangers touch you, all that stuff. The studies have shown over and over that young boys are just as much likely to be sexually abused as a child. But since we don't really encourage them to look for signs or teach them to be careful, no conversation. When boys, that happen to boys, children already feel like it's their fault, right? So if boys, they really have no outlet, or they're more likely to, you know, keep that to themselves.
It's really important that those conversations are had so that we can figure out what needs to be done.